There is no better way to play a video game or watch a movie than on a big screen. And now that 4K is becoming more widely available, you need an incredible 4K projector in order to get the biggest screen possible. Though the prices have fallen across the board in recent years to make them more affordable, Ultra HD 4K projectors still cost more than their 1080p counterparts. If you are looking to buy a 4K projector, then this video will help you out in choosing the best one. In this video, I am going to show you 5 best 4K projectors that you can consider to buy for 2022. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which 4K projector did you like the most. Don't forget to hit that like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe my channel. BenQ TK700 STI, the best gaming projector. If you are looking to lay a big load of cash on a projector, you can't go wrong with a BenQ TK700 STI. If you are buying it for gaming, then that endorsement is even stronger. This unit supports 4K at 60Hz with an unsurpassed 16 millisecond response time at that resolution, which is as low as response time you get in a native 4K projector. If you want up to 120 inches of bright, crystal clear game on your wall or screen, you can also push to 120Hz if you are happy settling for HD output. Consider this projector for its amazing 16 millisecond input lag, which is brilliant for a projector, 4K at 60Hz for premium gaming, and the amazing quality. The disappointments here are no Netflix, though that's common for projector, and the onboard buttons are not so good. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Optoma Ultra HD 40. The key to Optoma's success with this projector is its price. You simply won't find 4K imaging this cheaply and with such quality production anywhere else. In fact, as you will see, you could pay multiples of its price from other manufacturers. The Ultra HD 40 is a crackling projector with solid brightness and great color plus pinpoint detail. If you are looking for a 4K projector and don't have thousands to spend, it's a superb pick, although it lacks some of the portability and ease of use that others manage. Consider this projector for its superb value for money, 4K resolution and great brightness and color. The disappointment here is it is not really portable. Sony VPL VW270ES, and stunning projector from Sony. If you want one of the best 4K projectors available and a truly immersive picture, then it's hard to look past the Sony VPL VW270ES. Like many Sony 4K projectors, it uses the brand's proprietary 4K SXRD panels to achieve its true DCI 4K 4096 by 2160 resolution. It includes support for 60fps 4K playback and beefed up processing power with a faster response speed and reduced input lag, which will no doubt have gamers interested. Its amazing sense of insight and fantastically solid and smooth picture raises its caliber above that of cheaper rivals. The picture is wonderfully sharp and inviting and can be as large as 120 inches at distance between 3.67 meter to 7.55 meter. If you want a true 4K and have a hefty budget at your disposal, then this is the projector you should go for. Consider this projector for its sensational sharpness, stunning contrast, HDR10 and HLG support. The only disappointment here is no 3D glasses supplied. Epson EH-TW9400. Best long through projector and affordable also. This projector comes with an impressive color reproduction, HDR support and 2600 lumens brightness, making for bright and impactful images. While this is not a native 4K projector, even upscale images are detailed and come across well with the highly natural skin tones and an impressive amount of shadow detail. Blacks could be deeper and motion could be smoother, but there is really little to complain about here. The AHTW9400 boosts advanced capability all round, from its 3D compatibility to the motorized lens control, the latter point allowing for real precision and an easy setup. There is even a lens cover to prevent dust from creeping in. The Epson TW9400 is widely available in UK, India and around the world, though it's called the Epson Pro Cinema 6050UB in the US. Just keep in mind that it doesn't come with the built-in speakers, meaning you are reliant on the connected audio equipment. Consider this amazing projector for its excellent color reproduction. Motorized lens controls are handy, and it comes at an affordable price compared to the other projectors in this list. The disappointments here are blacks could be deeper and motion is not its strong point. Samsung the Premier, the best 4K projector overall. After more than a decade since its last home cinema projector, Samsung has exploded back on the scene with the Premier LS-P90 projector. This ultra short throw beamer makes use of 4K HDR laser projection with a 3-color laser, removing the need for a color filter and therefore allowing the Premier's 2800 lumens brightness to really shine across a max 130-inch image. Pictures are punchy and colorful, and Samsung's world's first introduction of the HDR10+ format, which adds in-scene by scene picture calibration in compatible films and TV shows. This projector also benefits from full implementation of the Samsung Smart TV operating system, which, if a bit sluggish at times, is incredible to have on a projector over the basic and poorly organized interfaces we have ever seen. But it is very expensive, coming at a price of $6,500 and around 11,000 Australian dollars and 7,000 pounds in UK, but it undeniably a knockout choice for those who can afford it. For everyone else, there is plenty of other great models that we have listed in this list. Buy this amazing, stunning projector for its amazing HDR10+ and 40-watt audio, full TV style smart system. The disappointments here are some rainbow effect and OS can be sluggish. So these are the top 5 best 4K projectors that you can consider to buy for 2022. If I had left any of the best projectors in this list, please comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.